Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. This is the trailer project. Got her all stripped down. Looks quite a little bit different than when I first started with it. A family heirloom. Guy inherited this. Wants to keep it in the family for another 40-50 years. The gentleman that used to own it was an electrician. He's since passed. But he went and left me some good conduit to run all the wires up through. That's from front to back and side to side. There won't be no wires dangling no place. Did a real good job for a homemade trailer. Even recycled the old wood deck out of it. Create some BTUs to keep Link's short hairs warm in the winter. It's got old school tires and wheels on it, older axles, but everything's good. I'm going to add some cross rails to it. There's quite a span in between there, especially back here in the back. The guy's going to use it to haul the side-by-side on it. There's some more of the conduit. Gentleman wants to do a little bit of the painting on it himself. We're going to take and replace this coupler up here in the front. It don't have a safety latch on it. We're going to update this a few years. I looked at it to see if I could just drill a hole in it to make it into a safety latch, but there's no way, so I'm going to just cut that off from there and put a new one on it for him. That way you can pin it. Don't have to worry about it popping off going down the road. Got some pretty good safety chains on it. He's got a new jack that he's going to put on there for it. The frame's in really good shape for as old as it is. There's not a crack in it, no place. It's not stressed. Really good shape. Something good to work with. You all have a great day. Be safe out there. And we'll see you around. Thank you very much. Bye.